we're back, baby. I got my car. Yeah. So it was a bad fuel pump, unfortunately. So I did not vlog yesterday because not a lot of stuff happened. So by now you already know that we put up a compilation video. So the days that I'm literally doing nothing, we're gonna try to put out ball compilations for you guys this month. So just to make sure we upload every day this month. We're halfway through the daily uploads for the month of June. So let me know in the comments how you're liking the daily uploads. Also, yeah, this was $600 to get everything taken care of. I had some fluids swapped out too, so yeah, gotta keep the car nice and healthy. I could definitely do a better job of taking care of my car, which I'm gonna start paying attention to more. Yeah, sorry, Dad. But gonna head down to the Orleans to get some practice in. Marshall is working with Jasnau, and he said, hey, if you want to come down and practice too, then yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Today's upload, or the video that I'm editing today, which is 2 days before this video goes live, is gonna be late because I'm editing that on stream, and I was gonna do that after the morning bolt. But then I got the phone call about my car. So I really should have edited the video yesterday, but I didn't. So it is what it is. It'll go up when it goes up. That will be the birthday vlog, by the way, or it was the birthday vlog. So see you at the Orleans in a couple. Jazz is gonna pay Marshall $5 if he can put the 4 in between the other 3 pins.
Without knocking them over.
Yeah. It's got a hook. It's bad.
No money for you.
Throw a spare shot. That's got a hook. We're back with Jazz. What is Marshall working on?
Well, right now he's just kind of bolting. I'm just gonna get some video, then we're gonna take a closer look. What you do?
What's up?
What up,
tell the people what you're in town for, or what you were in town for.
You know, it's a small tournament called the Open Championships.
Yeah, nice.
Spent a few days out here with Pops.
That's good. You make lots of money?
We did okay. We did okay. There wasn't a whole lot of bracket play in our squads, but
I feel like no squads have a lot of brackets.
No, it varies. You know, the Lavery brothers. I mean, they wrecked them pretty good.
Were they in the same squad as you, or
no?
Oh, just their squad.
Their squad happened to have really good play. But we'll see how it all pans out at the end of the year. We had a couple pops at some good ones, but 2150 is all I got.
Still a pretty good score.
Yeah.
You're coming back for the wedding, right?
Oh, I'm definitely coming back for the wedding.
Alright.
It's gonna be...
Do you think it's gonna be a boy or a girl?
Ooh.
Oh man's like, I gotta get back to you on that.
We're all hoping for a boy.
I'm calling girl. I've been calling girl for like 2 years.
That would just make it even better if it was a girl. Because I know Mikey's just praying for a boy.
A little golfer, that's what he wants.
Yeah.
But
we all do.
She's Asian. The women's tour.
They breed them.
Exactly. I mean, most of them are Korean. We're Chinese, but
yeah. I mean,
I'm not gonna say anything more than that. So. Those are the ones we want to see. Alright, so we're down here at the Orleans and we're getting some help from Jazz. And this is something that I've really wanted to do since Nationals started, because wherever Nationals is, that's where Jazz goes. Gives lessons. It's great. But yeah, if he can fix a couple of fools like us, might be able to do wonders for you. So if you are in town, make sure you check him out. I don't know, I might be able to put his contact info down below. If you are coming out for nationals still, definitely get a lesson with him because he's set us on the right track. But gonna kind of show you what it's like getting a lesson with Jazz. Okay.
I'm gonna offer Marshall $1.
Oh, you got $1. Where'd you get the $1 from?
I have a secret stash.
Oh, okay.
Are there any stipulations?
If he can get the 1-8 and leave the 210. Okay? Now,
Can you do it?
Wait, he has to take one out?
if he gets the 1-8-10 and leave the 2 only, it's a $5 shot.
Oh! Oh!
I don't know if that.
Whoa, that was pretty flexible. Oh, never mind, he hurt.
This is not for money, because obviously professionals are good at this.
Clearly. We got another one. 1, 2, 4. $1 for the 1-4 only. Jazz has so much money in his wallet, he can just throw it at his players. Okay. Oh, that one was pretty close. So close. Yeah, I know that way too well. Run it back, run it back. Wait, so it's $1 minus $1? Oh, he kissed it. Literally, just. He touched it and didn't fall down. Oh my goodness, what is that?
That's awesome.
That was the wrong challenge.
I know.
You touch it without making it fall down.
Did the wrong challenge.
All right, now it's my turn. We're just gonna get some shots in today. We're not gonna do any work. 2 days from now, we're gonna be putting some work in. So that's gonna be Friday for me, this video, and then that video is gonna go up on Sunday. So we're putting some work in, getting some shots for us to look at and think about some things before we actually do the work.
Your normal shot. So let's get you to the end of step 3 here. And now I'm going to pull up the shot where you made your shot later. I want to see how much your hand position changes when you're later.
All right, what are we working on? It's gonna be no surprise to me.
We're going to work on more fluidity on your third step. So then you're not quite as early as ball position in step 3.
Cool.
And I know you've never heard that before, have you?
No, never. Never in my life. Hey, I wore that shirt today on the vault.
Nice.
Nice. Early timing, folks. Alrighty, so we're gonna head home. Actually, we gotta get some gas on the way home. But we have the car back, super happy. Now I can go places and not have to ask people to pick me up. But anyways, we're gonna go home. Just finished up with Jasnau. We're gonna come back on Friday and start doing some timing drills and getting back to work because honestly, I've been a little sloppy. I've been bowling pretty good, but it could definitely be better on the physical side. And after the lesson, definitely mentally, but just gonna put a little bit of work in this week, not bowl too much, and yeah, we're gonna go home and stream. So catch us on twitch.tv/VitaminD-Tang. Feel free to follow me on social media as well, Vitamin D-Tang on all platforms, except for of course here. And if you haven't hit the sub button yet, really appreciate it if you did, helps us out a lot. Like and comment as well, and let me know if you guys are coming out to Vegas to get some lessons with Jasnau. All right, we'll catch you in tomorrow's vlog, and peace.